and weather forecast.
All right, good afternoon, everybody. Yes, another sweltering afternoon here in the coastal bend with temperatures close to 100 degrees and heat index values in some places in excess of 110. That despite an intensifying lower well to our northeast. Let's take a look at your live WeatherBug camera in Kingsville, where we've got 98 degrees. Feels like 101 out there with that northwesterly wind at 9 miles an hour. 94 degrees here in Corpus. Feels like 108, an east wind at 10. And here's Laura, the latest position on that. About 200 miles south-southeast of the mouth of the Sabine River. That storm will continue to intensify right now with 145 mile per hour sustained winds. It'll be over 150 at landfall. It's going to be a nightmare for the folks there in the Golden Triangle. From Cameron, Louisiana, westward to the Beaumont, Port Arthur, Orange area. It's going to be a real calamity. Be thinking about these people as they endure inundation levels in excess of 20 feet of seawater with waves on top of that. It will be devastating, along with the damaging winds that'll be gusting 175 miles an hour. Around here, well, we're looking at the backwash of that storm, which means subsidence in the mid-levels of the atmosphere that warms up the atmosphere. That's pushing down on the atmosphere that warms it up, and underneath that is that layer of moisture. So we've got air temperatures mid-90s to around 100, with those dew points in the middle to upper 70s in the coastal areas. So that's why we've got heat index values 104 to 113 degrees out there. We'll see more of that tomorrow as that storm is well inland by that time, but spiral bands from that continue to move across the coastal bend. You can see that by noontime on your Thursday with bands moving across our area. By Friday, it's out of here, but the heat remains, and then on Saturday, a tropical wave moves in and gives us mainly coastal showers and thunderstorms, but some of them inland by late Saturday into Sunday, and then that moves on out by Sunday night, and then we start to see the heat and humidity be the prevalent issues the first half of next week. Now, in the short term, we're going to see those spiral bands producing modest amounts of rain across our region. Now, these storms, where they do rain, will produce some decent rains, but where they don't, we wish they would. It's been kind of dry around here. We're still looking at that small craft advisory in the coastal waters, with coastal flood advisories on the Gulf side beaches all the way from Matagorda Bay down to around Baffin Bay. Those areas 1 to 3 feet of inundation tonight and early tomorrow. Now tonight we're looking at partly cloudy and humid conditions, a low in the upper 70s. Tomorrow the heat and the humidity prevalent with a high of 98, heat index 109 to 110 out there. That'll continue Friday and actually Saturday. By late Saturday we start to pick up isolated showers again. That continues Saturday night, becoming scattered showers and thunderstorms on Sunday, and then clearing out Monday through Wednesday with highs returning to the middle 90s. With heat index values again an issue next week. Drew, it looks like hot, hazy, and humid out there with only a smattering of rain. Be thinking about those folks in the upper Texas coast.